Washington State just passed a new income tax. And if you're a founder, a tech executive, or a high earner, you're the target. The question I'm getting more than any other right now is, can I leave before this hits? The answer is yes, but only if you do it right, because Washington will audit this, and you cannot fake a domicile change. I'm Joe Wallen, a startup and tax attorney based in Seattle. I've been practicing here for over 25 years. Let me walk you through exactly what this takes. Here's where people get tripped up. Domicile is not where you sleep most nights. It's not where you keep a second home. It's not where you park your boat. Domicile is your fixed permanent home, the place you intend to return to whenever you're away. You can only have one domicile at a time. To change it, you need to 1. Physically move to a new state. 2. Establish your life there. Driver's license, voter registration, bank accounts, medical providers, religious affiliation, professional memberships. 3. Sever ties with Washington. That means updating your estate planning documents, changing the address on your business registrations, and ideally selling or renting out your Washington home. Courts and auditors look at the totality of your life. Where do your kids go to school? Where does your doctor practice? Where do you spend holidays? There is no shortcut here. Washington's Department of Revenue will audit high-income domicile changes. That's not speculation. It's what revenue departments do when taxpayers leave. The states people typically move to, Nevada, Texas, Florida, Wyoming, they all know this game. And frankly, so does Washington. If you rent an apartment in Nevada, but keep your house in Medina, your club memberships in Bellevue, your CPA in Seattle, and your kids in Mercer Island schools, you have not changed your domicile. You've just created an audit target. The standard I tell every client: would a neutral observer looking at your life say you actually moved? If the answer isn't clearly yes, you're not done yet. The 2028 deadline is not a cliff, it's a rolling risk. If the law survives court challenge and takes effect in 2028, income earned in 2028 is potentially taxable. That means a domicile change needs to be complete and defensible before January 1st, 2028, to protect your full income. The earlier you move, the cleaner the record. If you're thinking about a domicile change, don't wait until the law is upheld to start planning. The planning process itself takes time, and courts have already fast-tracked the constitutional challenge. I've put together a Washington State tax planning guide that covers domicile, QSBS, and other strategies in detail. Link is below. And if you want to talk through your specific situation, there's a link to schedule time with me directly. Subscribe. I'll be covering every development in this law as it unfolds.